ages ang tinira ni ate. Diba? Congratulations!
You're so pretty. How old are you? I'm 19. O, di ba bata pa nga?
19 college, diba?
Yes.
From USA.
Yes.
Oh, diba alam ko?
O, kasi ko na English ko rin.
From USA, alam mo na yan.
How are you feeling tonight? I'm feeling so far, it's been very exciting for me. Like everything's been nerve-wracking, but at the same time, it gives me the thrill because I love what I do. She loves what she do.
Oh, yeah. Kung magsalita mo.
Ganyan talaga ako sa States. Ganyan ako sa States. Bakit na? Hindi, congratulations first and foremost. You did a good. No, you did a great job. All of you, all seven of you. And being the regional director's choice, did you feel like, ano yung feeling mo?
Any pressure, right?
Actually, I didn't thought I would actually go in. It was very surprising for me, but like I feel so blessed and so wonderful to have this chance. Congratulations so much. And for our regional director's choice, may we get a word from one of our dear judges, sirs or ma'am? Sino po pwede? Sir, ang head of our judges, sir, can you give a message to our dear candidate, I mean singer?
Thank you so much for singing one of my favorite OPM songs, Ages. Right, and you just put in an amount of your recipes, just like a good cooking, okay, in singing. Right amount of salt, right amount of sugar, and you come up with a very good, tasteful menu. Congratulations, I hope you can do it. Thank you.
Yes, once again, our original director's choice, Aliana Faye Fernando. Thank you.